Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you're all here. Today I've got a really cool unboxing that I'm getting ready to get into that my buddy, A.K.A. EDC, over on Instagram, my local buddy, he lets me borrow knives and he got this in, carried it for a day or two, nice enough to box it back up, and dropped it off for me just now. So I am going to check it out, share it with you guys, and then I get to carry it for, a week, and I'll do a review on it or so. Week, 5 days, 4 days. My reviews are more overviews. I won't use his knife real hard because it's his knife. But anyway, let's get into it. Real quickly, I want to say thank you to all the channel members, and thank you to any of y'all who are coming in to check out my knife and my EDC content. I appreciate you all. So guys, this is a knife that I've been really interested in and excited to check out from Vosteed, and it is the Psyop with their top liner lock, or I think they call it the Trex lock. This knife, they have two variations right now, if I'm not mistaken. One has kind of a crosshatch pattern, and one has the smooth pattern. I really like the smooth because it's actually contoured. And I think, seeing a couple of the other people's opinions, oh God, look how perfectly centered it is. Raw titanium. Blue pivot collar for just a little splash of color. Guys, it feels very solid. I'm not mistaken, you designed this. Y-U-E, my buddy you. But to me, its original look is attractive. So we'll try the front flipper first. And that is the Elmax blade, guys. This knife, again, this is just an unboxing, but this knife is in Elmax and titanium. I love Elmax. I love titanium. I love the look of the knife. I always have. Even when it first hit Vosteed's website, I haven't been in a knife buying. I think that's shoe stamp. I'll have to get that on the review, but I think you designed this knife. Again, you got Elmax blade, really nice contoured titanium liner or scales, handles. You've got a grip position here with a wonderful choke up position here. That choil is perfect for me. That's where I would probably hold the knife. However, you've got a really nice place where your finger rests here. I'm been just kind of standing here squeezing it, trying to feel the clip, and guys, the clip feels very good. Now, the caveat is, let's see how it goes in and out of pocket. Oh my gosh, I'm wearing thick 5'11" jeans, and it goes right over the clip, much easier than my Evo. Guys, let's try the whole flick. Bang. And what you've got here is, I think they call it the Trex lock. I could be wrong, I'll get it right in the review. But it's basically a liner lock connected to a button that actuates it, right? So it's very similar to the smock. I'm getting ready to do a lock video. So I've got the smock right here, and you'll see definitely different, but same similar concept, right? And this, if I'm not mistaken, I know I'm not mistaken, Vosteed is the first company that I'm aware of to use the top lock since it's come out of patent. God, I love that, the compression lock. And I think they're calling it the Trex lock. Look at that action, guys. Push the button. It's got snappy detent. I mean, there's no shaking this out. I mean, it's like fires out. Guys, I'm in love with this knife. I can already tell you that it is a unique winner. It looks to me like nothing else. It's kind of got a unique look. I mean, everything looks kind of knifey, right? But I think this has kind of found its own soul. The handles don't look like anything. Whoops, I missed the blade. Very slicey. Nice factory edges. Even on my raccoons, all the Vosteeds that I've experienced come very sharp. And it does have a splinter digger point. Nice flat ground blade with a beautiful swedge. You've got plenty of sharpening area. See, with that plunge grind, gets to your normal thickness right here. Done just very well. Just done. And it feels so solid. I don't know why that is. Let's see if there's weight relief in there. Yeah, there's actually steel liners in this guy. Again, I'm not a knife maker, nor do I ever play to be. I don't know if you guys can see down in there. Let's see if I can get it on camera. Of course, you've got your, that's the clip side. You got a steel liner in there. And then that is the show side. You can see the button down in there. But you do have liners on both sides, which does not bother me at all. Makes the knife feel very solid, and I'm sure it has something to do with that construction technique, because again, I know nothing about making knives, not a thing. I know what I like. And I can tell you, this is, of all the Vosteeds, and I'll just tell you, the Dachshund, I think I've got it here because I'm using it as one of my bar lock examples because it's got such snappy detent. Guys, Vosteed's killing it. That's all I know. I mean, I know that I'm going to hopefully be at Blade Show Saturday, and I hope to go talk to those guys because I think they're doing exciting stuff. I think they're doing original stuff, and I think they're doing it very, very well. Again, this is just an unboxing. I will spend a little time with the knife, let you know what I think, but I can already tell you if they're in stock now and there's something you like, I can tell you it's a winner. I can't imagine there being a downside to this knife. But I'll let you know if there's got a lanyard hole. Let's see if it's size-wise, if it's going to be closer to our bug out. A little bigger than the bug out. It's going to be smaller than our PM2, so it's going to be a full medium-sized knife. So guys, it is right in there. Look how stupid that is, where I could just measure it. This is all for theatrical effect, my people. So there we go. So bigger than the bug out, a little bit smaller than the PM2, but like I say, a very comfortable knife. Ergonomically done very well. I like the forward choil. I prefer that over additional cutting area because I think you've got plenty. Again, we'll do this in the review, but you got a 3-inch cutting area. That's, for me, for an EDC knife, it's just spot on. Bundabar. Action's great. Perfectly centered. Got a little jimping back here on the backspacer, and some good jimping here on the handle or on the blade. on the handle, duh. And I love the pill-shaped deployment hole. Your finger, you can push it with a lot of pressure. You're not going to go through the hole. You're not going to get the hot dog down the hallway feel. You're not going to have to deal with that. But yeah, guys, the Vosteed Psyop. Elmax, titanium. I don't know the price of these, but I'll put a link. I will link an affiliate link to my to the Vosteed store, so you guys can check that out there. And Vosteed stuff does ship out of the U.S. when you order it. Since they got a place here that ships, that's what's shown in stock. And I want to thank my buddy A.K.A. EDC again, because without A.K.A. EDC, I wouldn't be able to bring you guys this knife. And he's got just some bangers I'm going to get to bring you guys. But I'm going to give you a couple of requests, heartfelt requests. If you haven't had a chance yet and you're so inclined, if you'll please hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon, that would be awesome. And most importantly, please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose to bait, not hate. I love you all. Be up. Thanks, Joe Isabella. Peace.